I've tried pretty much every email tool out there, and GetResponse surprised me in a good way. If you're wondering whether GetResponse is legit, I've been using it daily for email campaigns, funnels, and automation. Here's my honest review. First thing nobody tells you, the inboxing is crazy good. My open rates jumped compared to Mailchimp and even ActiveCampaign. Emails land in inbox, not spam, and that's the whole game. The email builder is clean and fast. Automations, super powerful, but easy to build. Drag, drop, done. And the landing pages plus funnels replace 2 tools for me. My favorite things? Best deliverability I've seen. Built-in funnels and landing pages. Clean UI plus real automation power. Way cheaper than the big name tools. Cons, templates feel a bit corporate, and advanced automation is on higher plans. Fair trade for the results. Overall, GetResponse is my go-to now. If your emails aren't landing, nothing else matters. This is the most reliable inboxing tool I've used. Try it yourself. They give you a 14-day free trial. Click the link below and start sending emails that actually reach people.